I got some new equipment for the shop. You know, the 3M Accuspray system. I think this is the first version. It's got the gun and 5 different tips and the 20-ounce cup or 22-ounce, whatever it is. I'll check. The kit itself has 4 extra liners and lids on the back side of it, and it looks like one of those blister packs. It's going to be a pain in the ass to take apart, so I'll go ahead and do that off camera. But these 2 tips right here are the ones I'll be using for gel coat, is the 1.8 and the 2mm, and the rest of them I'll probably try out on one of my Spark rebuild projects with the base coat, clear coat stuff, see which one works best for that. I went ahead and got the largest size cup they make for it. Okay, and so that I can spray a lot of material. We got a pack of liners for it. The lids come with that. Those are all disposable. And then of the 1.8 and the 2.0mm, I went ahead and got an extra pack of 4 each. And so I have some extras, because with the gel coat I anticipate probably having to throw them away each time. You know, if I can save them, I'll save them, but I'm going to go ahead and get extras of the other ones too, just because I don't like just having one tip. But this should replace some of my cheaper Harbor Freight guns. There's one I use that's the 2mm gun that Harbor Freight sells. It's an awesome gun for what it is. I mean, that's it right there. I use this for gel coat repairs, and I'm going to have another video on this one for when I set it up to spray gel coat into the mold with the pressure pot. Anyway, that's the one I've been using. They're about 20 bucks or so, but every now and then the gel coat sets up in it and I got to throw the whole gun away, and I'd much rather throw a tip away. It's, you know, it's a more expensive system, but I think it's going to work out for me in the long run. Anyway, that's just a new toy for both shops, actually, the one at home and in the boat shop. But I'll get to work unpacking this, and we'll get a video up here soon on how it sprays. Anyway, thank you for watching.